Hi guys, Blake7 here. Happy Halloween! I hope you like my review station, and I've been told there's a pack of Pokemon cards inside this candy, but it just looks like candy. I've seen no Pokemon cards anywhere. No Pokemon cards. Oh! Blaziken, that must be Celestial Storm. I was hoping for Burning Shadows, which is a shame, but it's still Celestial Storm, that's okay. Oh, what's that? Another pack. Oh, it's Burning Shadows, yay! Nice, now we've got Celestial Storm and a Burning Shadows. Oh, and another Burning Shadows again. Different artworks and then Celestial Storm. Cool. So let's start off with Celestial Storm. See if they give us good luck. Start this video. Whoa, this one's really hard to open. This is like the stiffest pack so far in the video. Ha! Trick. This is the first pack of the video. Oh, it's a white code, yay. I might start doing it. I won't do it every time, but sometimes I will do the white code trick. So that means it's a hollow or better. Right, I've done the card trick. Right, Water Energy. Masked Royal. Minior. Volbeat. Mudkip. Baltoy. Bagon. Torchic. Oops, oh, a Latios Prism. Cool. And a Stack Attacker GX. Wow. That's pretty cool. Stack Attacker GX and a Latios Prism. I just can't speak after that. That's a pretty good pull. A 2-item combo. Got Stack Attacker GX and the Latios Prism card. I've not actually opened a Prism card on this channel before, so that's a pretty good pack actually. That is a pretty good pack. Now we're going to go with a Marshadow Burning Shadows. See if Burning Shadows can be as good. And if we get that Hyper Rare Charizard, man, I'm just going to be so happy. Whoa, this one doesn't feel normal. Just going to have to open it like this. Because this does not feel normal. This is not opening normal. This is not normal. What? Another white code. This is something else good. Could it be the Hyper Rare Charizard? If it is, man. Guys. Wait, is this for? I'm getting confused with the card. I think that's for. I hope it is. Yep, Dark Energy. Dark Energy. Body Build. Dumbbells. Singapore, Solrock, Mudbray, Sock, Togedemaru, Wimpod, Alolan Rattata, Alolan Grimer, and Hollow Darkrai. That's okay, still a hollow. Still a hollow. Save that. And now, last pack of Burning Shadows. Could it be the Hyper Rare Charizard? Oh, come on, come on, come on. It has to be, come on. Oh, this one's just as bad. Maybe Burning Shadows packs come like this. A white code again. Every pack comes with a white code, which is good actually. Not like sad, like shocked in a sad way. This is, you know, it's good. You know, Fighting Energy. Wishful Baton. Lunkiller, a Wiki, Magikarp, Pansear, Cutiefly, Pampor, Pikachu, Reverse Potan, and oh man, that's a good Fuller. Fuller Golispod. Wow. It's not the Hyper Rare Charizard, but it's still a full luck card. Whoa! They're haunting me, that ghost. That was a pretty good opening. We got actually 4 good cards out of 3 packs. We got a Full Art, a GX, a Prism, and a Holo card. That's amazing. So, recap everything. So we got a Darkrai Holo card, a Latios Prism, Stack Attacker GX, and a Full Art Golisopod. This is like insane. Look at all these pulls out of 3 packs. That's pretty good. This Full Art's amazing. And this Stack Attacker GX. I've actually wanted this GX, which is pretty cool. And this Full Art, I've actually seen this. And I've wanted to get a Prism card on this channel. So that's also cool. And Darkrai Holo is pretty cool. It's not the best pull out of this, but it's still a holo. Can't complain about a holo card. So, thanks for watching this amazing, spooky video. See you in my next video. Bye. Subscribe.
Be careful or I'll put a spell on you.
Ha 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 ha. Ha ha. Ha ha.